Hello YouTube, thanks for being here to check out this video. This video is the third dive of the first day on our trip to Roatan, Honduras. We're staying at a resort with about 40 other divers from off-the-hook diving out of Olympia, Washington. There's a few less people on the boat than that started on the morning dive. This would be my second video of the trip because on the second dive, I forgot my camera on the boat. At this point, I was just really impressed with the quality of the visibility and the brightness of the water. It's so different than what I'm used to in the Puget Sound. This is my first time diving in warm water and clear water like this. The little tapping you hear is from our dive master, John, who would tap his tank with the little rod to get our attention. For this trip, all the divers on the boat were the same people every single day, and they were great people, and it was really good to get to know them, but not everybody made every single dive. John had told us that we'd likely see seahorses on this dive, and he had signaled that he found something, and Wayne is getting a chance to get up close to a seahorse there, and in a second I get to see my first seahorse I've ever seen in open water. This environment is so different from what I'm used to with all the coral and trying to film and take pictures of anything. It was a lot more difficult to kind of control my buoyancy and really be mindful to not touch anything or kick anything with all the coral. Normally in the Puget Sound, the only thing you really have to worry about so much is kicking up the bottom and causing a cloud of silt. If you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing because the following videos are going to be so much more interesting with the amount of sea life we saw after this point, from turtles, moray eels, octopus, and so many other things. I'm really excited for the wreck dives and the night dives. The night dives in Roatan were probably the most enjoyable dives I've ever had. that's just about it for this video. So if you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to see many more from Roatan as well as back home in Puget Sound.